Starting around 17 walk 2024 star map book Dow most certainly is exchanging at $5.64 in term of its est rate with a value change of 2.25% in most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Polies especially has a truly complete market cap of $133, 185, 241 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $624, 240, which for the most part is very critical. This generally makes star map book Dow Polies, especially positioning at 410 in the cryptographic money market, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the star map book Dow cost forecast finish of 2024, what will star chart book Dow especially be somewhat worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Is star map book Dow a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Polies cost generally outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in an exceptionally significant manner? These especially are our star chart book Dow cost expectations for Polies' future eye. In a huge manner. Star chart book Dow Polies value expectation 2024 as per the star chart book Dow gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies cost explicitly is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of $533, the normal sort of least value worth of star map book Dow toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $22.28, which is genuinely critical. Besides, Polies can truly arrive at a most extreme value level of $478 in a truly significant manner. Star map book Dow Polies value expectation. Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024, star chart book Dow cost truly is gauged to explicitly arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of 0.5866, which certainly is very huge. The Polies cost could sort of arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.65 or 99 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.64 at 16 or so they in every practical sense thought. Star map book Dow value estimate April 2024 the extremely normal cost of star chart book Dow Polies could really go to $1673 toward the finish of April 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Polies could really be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $68.56 with the very least expected cost of $63.67 in an especially large manner. Star map book Dow Polies value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, star map book Dow cost fundamentally is conjectured to arrive at an in every practical sense most reduced cost of $6501, which especially is very huge. The Polies cost could arrive at fundamentally greatest cost of $70.23 with a typical expected cost around $6806, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Star map book Dow Polies value expectation June 2024. Concerning June 2024, star chart book Dow cost in every practical sense is conjectured to for the most part arrive at an all things considered least cost of $68.34 in an in every practical sense large way. The Polies cost could essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $74.63 with the sort of typical expected cost around $70.78, which generally is very critical. Star map book Dow value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of star chart book Dow sort of is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $78.56, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Star chart book Dow cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $7746 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $73.62 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Star map book Dow value estimate August 2024 the very normal cost of star map book Dow Polies could for the most part go to $75 and 82 toward the finish of August 2024. Genuinely further appearance how Polies could really be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $68 and 56 with a base expected cost of $63 and 67, which essentially is very huge. Polies could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $20.41 with a genuinely least expected cost of $73 and 38. Star chart book Dow a genuinely wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an especially significant manner is as well. Star map book Dow value expectation September 2024. The cost of star map book Dow in a real sense is basically anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of $0.7504 in September 2024, which for the most part is very huge. The Poli's cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at an especially greatest worth of $23.44 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $7810 all through 2024, which shows that star map book Dow Poli's value expectation. 2024 as per the star chart book Dow estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Poli's cost generally is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $2533, the normal pretty least value worth of star map book Dow toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $2228 in an unobtrusive manner. Star chart book Dow value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of star chart book Dow explicitly is supposed to truly be at around an extremely least of $0.78, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star map book Dow cost can sort of arrive at an essentially limit of $0.18735 with a especially normal cost of $0.1822 in USD, so star chart book Dow value forecast September 2024. The cost of star map book Dow in a real sense is especially anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $0.7504 in September 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Star map book Dow Poli's value gauge November 2024. The star map book Dow Poli's cost for November 2024 may truly arrive at a kind of least worth of $20.60, while the extremely greatest estimated cost really is around $0.959 in a kind of large manner. The truly normal cost for Poli's for the most part is essentially anticipated to especially reach $366 in November 2024, which especially is very huge. Star chart book Dow value gauge. December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of star chart book Dow for the most part is supposed to sort of be at around and in every practical sense, least of $228. Fundamentally further appearance how these really are our star chart book Dow cost expectations for Poli's future, which especially is very huge. Star map book Dow cost can really arrive at a kind of limit of $0.9478 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $10,533 in a significant way. Star map book Dow certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been generally diminished by 705% in its in every way that really matters current worth, showing the way that the Poli's cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.7123 with the typical expected cost around $0.6806 or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming we explicitly analyze the especially current market cap of the Poli's with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, or so they explicitly thought. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Poli's generally was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 2373%, which basically demonstrates the way that the Poli's cost could especially arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.65099